Hey guys, Tristen Gosselin here, and we're back with another property tour. Today we are in the romantic zone checking out a property. We're not right in the center of the zone, we're about 5 blocks from the middle of all the action. So, in just a 10-minute walk, you can be right in the center of the zone. So the details of the unit is it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's 1,400 square feet, and it just had a price reduction. It used to be priced at $625,000, and now it's on the market for $550,000. So you got the end of high season discount on this unit. Obviously, the sellers are motivated, so I'm sure they would be open to some offers. So as always, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we can set up some showings. I've actually had my eye on this unit for a while, but it's been too specific of a client that would be buying it to do a YouTube tour for. But with recent price reductions, it actually opens the door to more possibilities. It even enters the realm of you might be able to rent this out and make some good ROI on it. I didn't usually think it would be an ROI apartment because it doesn't have those rooftop infinity pools and amenities and that stuff, but it is just so unique. And now with this great price, it opens the door for that. So now it's time to do the YouTube tour. Let's go check it out. Okay, so right as we enter here, obviously you can see right away, it's not your typical apartment front entrance. You have just entrance right into your own unit here. So you have this super cute little outdoor terrace area, and then it has like all this greenery that's hiding it, so you actually still get your privacy. And then we'll head into the unit here. These doors, they just redid as well, so there's some good soundproofing as well. So when you're in the unit, it's actually nice and quiet. And then that front street out there isn't actually one of the main streets. It's just kind of a side street that people sometimes go on, but it's not super, super crazy. So again, it's still already a little bit quieter. And then this is kind of the main living area here. Obviously, you can see how nice they redid everything. Fully remodeled. They did the backsplash, they did the pipes, they added the garbage disposal. You have the new appliances, so your dishwasher, fridge, stovetop, all that stuff. And this hood vent's actually a vented hood vent. It's not just one that sucks it up and it doesn't actually go anywhere. So this one will actually provide good ventilation. And then as we round the corner here, down this hallway are the bedrooms. But right before we get there, off to the left, we have the in-unit washer dryer. It is stacked, so you still have room for some extra storage in here. And then on the top right here, you can actually see the hot water on demand. So it's not a water heater where you're going to run out. It's just automatic. Right here is the secondary bathroom. Full bath. This will be for the guests or the second room. Super cute shower, the glass sliding doors, mirror, the lighting behind the mirror. So it all looks really nice in here. And then the bedroom, it does come fully furnished. So right now it's set up well for rentals. You have the double beds in here. So you could actually rent this out for up to 6 people because you could put 4 people in this room. You have the closet. It's not like a hidden closet or anything or a walk-in, but you have all your closet space back there. And then this is the back entrance to the patio out here. So we'll head out this way and we'll actually enter the master from outside. But out here, this is the unique little area that hardly any unit in the romantic zone is gonna have. And it's not right next to a street. You're actually in the center of the block. So it's actually really quiet out here. You have the lattice or bamboo protector up top there. So it gives you a bit of privacy if you're in your little plunge pool back here. It is heated. There's no jets, so it's not technically a jacuzzi, but you can just turn up the temperature and it can be super great back there. I'll give you one more view from this angle and then we'll head on into the master bedroom. One other thing I love about the way this apartment is set up is if you have a dog, like it's so convenient that you have these little outdoor areas. These doors actually accordion fully out of the way. That way you don't have like big solid doors just sticking out into your patio or into your bedroom. They fold up nicely and get out of the way. And then this is your master bedroom here. So the closet is in the walk-in bathroom as well. So it's nice that they had that additional storage at the foot of the bed there. But this is the ensuite master bathroom. Here is the shower over on this side. One thing it is missing is a double vanity. So if you need a double vanity, this might not be the one, but other than that, it's a pretty great unit. You even have another little setup back here. So you have the 3 compartments there for all of your closet space, extra storage on top, and then some natural light, and then the recessed lighting behind the mirror. And again, everything flows so well. Love the setup, all the gold accents, the wood with the walls and all that stuff. It all flows very nicely. So we'll give you one last look at the main area here. And that's the tour. So as you can see, it's not the biggest unit in the world. It's no crazy views, but now that it has the price reduction, it's a great unit with some great outdoor areas, super unique in the sense that you feel like you have your own home that you're walking into instead of walking into a big apartment complex. Then you have to worry about the front door security and then the getting up the elevators and all that stuff. So very different of a unit for being in the romantic zone. Okay guys, that's everything you need to see for this unit. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on my WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to get a hold of me. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.